This is video number 1 of computer science for class 7. Today we are going to start chapter number 1 of the subject, and the name of the chapter is number system. So first of all, what is number system? Number system is the technique to represent numbers in the form of digits or symbols. There are different ways in which we can represent numbers. So, the number system is divided into 4 different types. Today, we'll be discussing all the different types of number system one by one. So, the first number system is decimal number system. Second one is binary number system. Third is octal number system. And the fourth one is hexadecimal number system. Now, let's start with decimal number system. This number system is the most commonly used number system that we use in our day-to-day lives. You all must have used decimal number system for solving various mathematical problems. So, this number system is very familiar to all of you. It consists of 10 digits, that is, the digits from 0 to 9. Therefore, there will be altogether 10 digits in decimal number system. Next is base or radix. Now, what is base or radix of any number system? The base of a number system is the number of digits used in that particular number system. Base is also known as radix. Now see, in this decimal number system, there are altogether 10 digits used to represent the decimal number system. So, the base of decimal number system is 10. Now, next one is how do we represent any number in decimal number system? Here, one example is also shown. How do we write or represent numbers in decimal number system? Here you can see a number, for example, is given like 459. Now, how do we represent it in decimal number system? As you can see, we write the number within brackets and then we write 10. 10, which is the base of decimal number system. We write the base as 10 together with the number just to represent that this particular number belongs to decimal number system. The next number system is binary number system. This number system consists of only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. The base or radix of binary number system is 2. Since it consists of only 2 digits, its base is 2. Now, the next one is how do we represent a number in binary number system? As you all can see, one example is shown here of binary number system. The number shown here is only a combination of digit 0 and 1 written inside brackets with the base 2 written as the subscript. We'll write the base of binary number system outside the bracket as shown in the example. Now, this binary number system is the most important number system, you can say. Why? Because this is the number system which is understood by our computer systems. Binary language is the only language that a computer system understands. The instruction or input that we give to our computer system is first converted into binary language, that is the language of 0 and 1, and after that it is processed further. Why? Because computer does not understand our language. Whatever instruction or data we give to the computer, it always converts it into the language of 0 and 1. Binary number system is very important. We will be further discussing various operations on binary numbers in our next lectures. The third number system is octal number system. This number system consists of 8 digits, that is the digits from 0 to 7. So altogether there are 8 digits in octal number system. That is why the base or radix of octal number system is 8. Now, next one is how do we represent a number in octal number system. As you can see the example given here, we write a number in octal number system like this, as we have already discussed in decimal number system and binary number system. In the same way, first we write the number, put brackets, and then write the base of octal number system, that is 8, as the base of the number. We write the base as a subscript. Now, if you see this example carefully, you will find all the digits of this example. If you will see it separately, that is the digit 2, 7 and 5, all 3 digits are the digits between 0 to 7. Which means in octal number system we don't use the digit 8 or 9. The digit which we write in octal number system has to be between 0 to 7. Now this is all about octal number system. The last number system that we'll discuss is hexadecimal number system. This number system consists of 16 symbols, that is the digits from 0 to 9 and the alphabets from A to F. It contains digits from 0 to 9. That means there are altogether 10 digits, and in place of 10 in hexadecimal number system we'll write A. In the same way, in place of 11 we'll write B. Then 12 is replaced by C, 13 is replaced by D, 14 is replaced by E, and 15 is replaced by F. So altogether if you will count, there are 16 symbols, out of which 10 are digits and 6 are alphabets. So altogether there are 16 symbols used in hexadecimal number system. And since there are 16 symbols, the base or radix of hexadecimal number system is 16. Now, how do we represent a number in hexadecimal number system? As you can see, the example given here, it contains some numbers between 0 to 9, and then there are some alphabets between A to F. And in the same way we'll represent hexadecimal numbers also. First put the number inside the brackets and then write the base, that is 16 here, as the subscript of the number. Now this is all about hexadecimal number system. Now we'll see all the number system together at a glance. Now, first number system that we discussed was decimal number system. It includes digits from 0 to 9. Since there are 10 digits in decimal number system, the base is 10. It is represented by writing the numbers inside the bracket with subscript 10. Now, next one is binary number system. In binary number system, there are only two digits, that is 0 and 1. Since it contains only two digits, the base of binary number system is 2. It is represented as combination of zeros and ones, and we write the number within brackets with a subscript 2. Now the third one is octal number system. It contains 8 digits, that is numbers from 0 to 7. So altogether there are 8 digits. That is why the base of octal number system is 8. It is also represented in the same way with a subscript as 8. Now the last one is hexadecimal number system. Here there are altogether 16 symbols, 0 to 9, that is there are 10 digits, and alphabets A to F, that is 6 alphabets in hexadecimal number system. So altogether 16 symbols. That is why the base of hexadecimal system is 16, and it is also represented by writing the number within the brackets and adding the subscript as 16. Now this is all about all the different types of number system in computers.